Good afternoon. Working on a John Deere 4630, getting it ready for paint. And I want to show you some of the things that we have to go through. So here's the hood, and here's a heat shield for the turbocharger. And what happened is it sits in there about like that, and lo and behold, it got stuff behind it, and it rusted the hood out. And there's what the shield looks like. So what we're up to today is taking this piece out, something like that. And there's the hole we got. So hang on a second and I'll show you the piece and how we're going to do it. Okay, so here's the new piece we made. It's going to slip back in behind this backer. And we'll clamp her in there with some vice grips. And there you go. I may have to move this around just a little bit, but I'm really hoping that with this backer plate taking up the curvature of the hood and trying to keep it in there so we don't get too big a mess. So there you go. We'll get this tacked and look at it, and then we'll weld her up. So have a nice day.